California Medical Association take a dramatically
At 5:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for Central and the Golden Horseshoe area, Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Innisfil, New Tecumseth, Angus, Mississauga, Caledon, Orangeville, Grand Valley and Southern Dufferin County. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
Started buying into